Hi, I'm Judge Douglas Herndon. I'm currently a state district court judge and I'm running for the Nevada Supreme Court Seat D. I've been a district court judge since 2005, having originally been appointed by the late Governor Kenny Gwinn after a 14-year career in the district attorney's office where I was the head of the Special Victims Unit. There I specialized in the prosecution of cases involving the physical and sexual abuse and murder of women and children. During my 15 years as a judge, I've handled an all-civil caseload, a caseload involving civil and criminal cases, and an all-criminal caseload. I've also had the pleasure of serving as one of our chief judges for 11 years. I first ran the criminal division for 8 years, and then for the last 3 years, I've been the chief judge of our homicide case team. I created this team in 2017 to serve a critical need in our community. At that time, we had over 350 pending murder trials in Clark County that needed more consistent treatment from the bench. I created a team of 4 judges, and we collectively preside over all of these trials now. Since we've been in existence, we've more than doubled the annual resolution rate of cases, more than doubled the annual rate of jury trials in these cases, and in the first year alone, we saved taxpayers over $1.5 million by efficiently guiding these cases through the justice system without sacrificing fairness. As a judge, I've handled every type of complicated criminal and civil case that our court system sees. As an attorney, I not only tried approximately 75 jury trials, but I also argued regularly in front of the Nevada Supreme Court, approximately 2 to 3 times a year. These experiences have been invaluable to me as I do my work as a state district court judge. I'm also the only judge in this race. My opponent has never been a judge at any level and has never appeared in front of the Nevada Supreme Court. I would not, however, ask for your support based solely on my request. I would point you to a couple of other things as well. The first is that for 15 consecutive years, I've been one of the highest rated judges, including last year in 2019 when I had the highest performance rating in district court. These ratings come about from anonymous surveys with attorneys, the people that know us best who appear in front of us on a daily basis. And I'm very proud and humbled to have always been one of the highest rated judges. I've also always had one of the highest appellate ratings, meaning when my cases go up on appeal, my decisions are routinely upheld. Additionally, one of my strong suits has always been my work ethic. I am consistently one of the top judges in terms of time spent in jury trials on a yearly basis. I've been working since I was 12 years old, and I do know the value of hard work. And I appreciate rewarding people for the trust and confidence they place in you, particularly as an elected official. Lastly, I would point out the fact that I'm the only candidate in this race that enjoys statewide law enforcement support, not only in our bigger counties like Washoe and Clark, but also throughout our rural counties. I also enjoy the endorsement and support of the elected sheriffs and elected district attorneys, again, throughout our state, in the bigger counties and in the rural counties. Finally, I enjoy support across all political aisles from leaders in this state, including former Governor Brian Sandoval and Robert List, former Attorney General Frankie Sue Del Papa, and retired Chief Justice of the Nevada Supreme Court, William Maupin. I'd also like to tell you a little bit about my family. My wife and I are originally from Texas. We met in college 34 years ago and settled in Nevada after I graduated from law school 30 years ago. We've raised our 2 daughters here. One of them is currently a sophomore in college and the other just began her master's program, having graduated this past May. The question was posed to me about why I'm running for the Nevada Supreme Court. From a personal standpoint, I can tell you that I've met every challenge and achieved every goal I set for myself as a district court judge. But I still have a great deal of passion and energy for serving the public and working within our civil and criminal justice systems. As such, I look forward to continuing my service as a Supreme Court justice and working collaboratively with the other justices to create case law to move our state forward. I would also point out that from a professional standpoint, I do not believe that the Nevada Supreme Court is a training ground. It is a complicated and busy court, and it requires justices who have made the sacrifice to become trial court judges to spend the time learning how to be a good judge and to do it for long enough to compile a record of excellence that people can rely on in entrusting you with their vote. I believe that I'm the only candidate that's done that in this race, and I would ask for your support. Thank you.